So this is our pineapple. This is the leftover rice. This is our soy sauce. The pepper, my husband loves pepper a lot. This is salt. Here we have the green onions, the sausage, the garlic, and the red pepper. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Gladys, and today I want to surprise my husband with a Chinese pineapple fried rice. It's my first time preparing this, but I got the recipes. So I'm sure I'll make this perfectly. Last time when I prepared him eggs and rice, he really loved it, and he wished I could really be at home and I prepare such a kind of meal for him. But I'm going to be making this for him, and he's yet to be back. I wanted him to find me when I'm done. I have my ingredients here, and let's get started with cutting our pineapple. So I think it will be perfect to use that table. Okay, it wasn't all that perfect, but still have this upper part. How does it taste? Guys, the table is clean. We need the middle thing. We need that middle pineapple. Yeah. So we are going to make cubes. Guys, it's so juicy, so we need our spoon. We are going to scoop the cubes. Yeah. So this is our oil I'm going to use, the olive oil. Just enough. The first thing I'm going to add in, it's our garlic. The aroma coming out from the oil is nice. After our garlic turning brown, we are going to add in our sausages. My husband loves meat, so sausages will work as meat since I don't have meat. Then I'll add in my green onions as well as the pepper. Wow, see the beautiful colors in there, guys. Then I'm going to add in some salt. This is too much, since the rice is not that much. I'm going to add in our rice. Remember guys, for this recipe to come out well, you have to use leftover rice. We have our pineapple here. I've just covered this. This is what we have right here. So you'll have this as a fruit. We are going to add in our pineapple. Look how juicy it is, guys. It's going to be super surprise. Wow, it's so colorful. I love all the colors inside here. Then this is our soy sauce. I'm going to add in this bank. This bank before we got done. Hey, honey.
Yeah.
What do you think? Do you know what I'm cooking?
It looks nice.
It's nice. I wanted to surprise you.
Oh,
I just added in our soy sauce.
Wait, can put it.
I can add in that one. Okay.
Okay, no more.
Wow. Looks more delicious.
Need more rice.
We need more rice, but we just had little rice.
Huh?
We had little.
I can take. You can go out.
You got some rice?
Put in.
Okay. We can put in how many? No,
Oh.
Oh, it's too much, honey.
No.
It's too much, believe me. This is okay.
No, more.
Honey.
I can understand. Believe me.
Really? We can't eat all.
Oh. Believe me.
It's going to be too much than the
And
ingredients.
delicious. Listen, what teacher you.
Yes, honey.
More hot. Finish this. Put this.
Okay.
If don't have little hot, you know, this but nose dark this rice.
Okay.
Are very nice.
Okay. How was your day today?
I'm okay.
Okay. So guys, my husband just came back shortly. He found me cooking. The rice was too little, so he went down and got more rice. Yeah, we are going to share with our friends. So what do you think now? Yeah, this is what we have so far. I really love how it has come out so colorful. Wow, it looks yummy. As it's burning, I cover it. Yeah, so let's give it some time. Remember, this is our pineapple here where we are going to put our rice when it's done. So guys, our rice is ready, and he just bought some soup. We have here maize and beef. I don't know if you have ever tasted this in your country, but comment down below. This is Chinese way of cooking. And we have this. We are going to fill it with rice. Okay. Sit, baby. I bring you food.
It's okay.
If you want to have the best taste of this pineapple rice, you have to eat it from that pineapple plate we made. If you eat it separately, it will give you a different taste, but it was so yummy inside that pineapple. I tasted it and my husband loved it too, which made me so happy. Thank you for watching, and why don't we meet again in our next video. Bye bye.